Have you ever pondered why a deep clean is so crucial before listing your home for sale? It's not just about making a good impression, but it's also an indirect way of communicating how well you've maintained your home over the years. Let's start with the basics, putting things away. This is about creating a neutral space that allows potential buyers to imagine their own belongings in your home. A clutter-free environment not only looks more appealing, but it also suggests that the home has ample storage space. Moving on, we have the kitchen and bathroom counters. These surfaces should be as clear and clean as possible. Any small appliances, toiletries, or miscellaneous items should be stored out of sight. A sparkling countertop is a testament to a well-maintained home. Next, we address the floors. They are, quite literally, the foundation upon which your home rests. Sweeping and vacuuming not only remove visible dirt and dust, but they also contribute to the overall freshness of your home. The bedroom, often considered a personal sanctuary, should evoke feelings of comfort and tranquility. Making the bed and picking up any clothes lying around can make a world of difference. It suggests that the home is well cared for and loved. A clean bathroom is non-negotiable. The tub, shower, and toilet should be spotless. Any signs of neglect in these areas can be a major deterrent for potential buyers. Now let's talk about something that often goes unnoticed: smells. If there are any unpleasant odors, it's important to address them immediately. Washing or shampooing can help, but for stubborn smells, an ozone machine might be needed. Windows, often considered the eyes of a home, should be clear and clean. They not only let in natural light, but also provide a view of the outside world. Clean windows can make a room feel brighter and more inviting. Cobwebs and dust can make a home feel old and neglected. Make sure to get rid of any cobwebs and dust light fixtures thoroughly. Lastly, a clean furnace filter is a small detail that can make a big difference. It not only improves air quality, but also shows potential buyers that the home's HVAC system has been well maintained. In summary, a deep clean before listing your home is not just about aesthetics. It's a way of demonstrating the care and attention you've put into maintaining your home. Remember, a clean home is a more desirable home. So put things away, clean off those counters, sweep and vacuum, make your bed, scrub the bathroom, check for smells, wash the windows, banish cobwebs, dust light fixtures, and change that furnace filter. These simple steps can make a world of difference when it comes to selling your home.